It's the show that the global pet food industry looks forward to every year. Petfood Forum. From networking and innovation to the latest trends in the industry, Petfood Forum continues to be the most talked about show every year and the one where everyone wants to be seen.
Petfood Forum and Pet Food Essentials are the event. If you're in the pet food industry, if you are in the treats industry, this is where all of the great minds are. They're having the conversations, they are really attending, and this is the one time to meet and get to know all the key leaders in the industry. You don't want to miss it.
With networking at a premium with peers and engaging with the global industry's top decision makers, it's your opportunity to learn what's new from the leading pet food industry experts. We're talking the latest research and innovative information on pet nutrition, global pet food market growth, pet food safety, processing, packaging, and much more.
Everyone's here. It's a very great time to connect with old friends, meet new friends, hear about new things that maybe we hadn't seen or hadn't been brought to our attention. It's always a great reunion, a great time to just reconnect and really see what's next and where we're going to go together.
On the Tech Talk stage and in the educational sessions, you can discover emerging technologies, see future trends, and meet the professionals that are shaping the pet food landscape. Sit in with speakers showcasing the latest products and capabilities from suppliers and innovators worldwide.
I think the learning aspect has been huge. The knowledge transfer, the individuals here, the decision makers here, it's a great opportunity to meet people that are in tune, well in touch with the marketplace. It's growing, it's changing, evolving, and this is a great place to get that information.
The Women in Pet Food Leadership, a networking and mentorship event, has been standing room only as guest speakers share their challenges and solutions, helping women navigate with greater ease, confidence, and authority for those in leadership roles. Make your reservations early for this one as it's growing each year. And the future of the pet food industry continues to thrive with the student program hosted inside the Future of Pet Food Pavilion. The next generation of researchers and innovators has got this, and it's only going to get better.
It's eye-opening. You get to see the culture of the industry, and you get to network a lot. There's so many people here that you end up with so many new faces, new names. It is bigger this year. I see more people. So for us, it's just a great opportunity to really learn about this friendly industry that we're on.
So if you want to be at the epicenter of information and education while keeping a pulse on the latest trends and innovations, attend the show that gets you in front of key decision makers and pet food industry experts. Pet Food Forum, where the global pet food industry does business.